Today we have an interesting project, a challenging one, and I love a challenge. A delightful lady reached out to me and asked if I could help her transform a small table she purchased at an auction. In her hallway, she has a galvanized steel and rust wood framed mirror, and the table she found fits perfectly underneath it. It's the right shape and size. The only problem is the finish is wrong for the space. Plus it's very old, worn and tired looking. My idea is to paint the legs a light grey to match the metal in the frame and sand the top to try and bring it back to life. The burled veneer is beautiful. Now if I can rescue that by restaining and varnishing, that would be the perfect solution. So first then, let's get sanding.
Do I have what it takes to make you fall in love with me? Am I the real deal or just another one of those who fake it? Maybe I don't really know you. Maybe I don't really know myself. Let me rest in your arms until the morning comes and fades away.
Can you believe the transformation? This worn, tired, unloved table could easily have ended up in landfill. But with a little vision, you can end up with something like this. Look at this beautiful veneer. Now see what happens when we add some wood stain.
I want to grow up with you. Cliche to say, but it's true. Tell me you see me just as I see you.
I'm using a dark wood stain, and wiping it back brings the wood grain to life, rather than cover it, which is what was happening before. We need to let this dry for at least half an hour. Using a clear top coat to provide a nice protective finish, it will bring the wood grain in the veneer to life even more. I've chosen a satin finish to complement the finish of the mirror frame. I'm painting the legs a light grey colour to further complement the mirror frame.
Sometimes I don't know why I keep trying so hard to change. Should I turn on the lights and let you see me just the way I am?
For the second and third coat of paint, I added a wee bit of black to darken the colour, and I'm a lot happier with this shade. Now I'm tinting scumble with some white paint to create a white rust.
I can promise.
That's the finish you see on things containing zinc, like galvanized steel, like on the mirror frame. Apply the scumble, getting it into all the nooks and crannies, and then you would wipe it back and blend it in with a soft cloth.
Up with you, cliche to say, but it's true. Tell me you see me just as I see you.
Now that was a really fun makeover project, and what a difference. And now for the reveal.
Do I have what it takes to make you fall in love with me? Am I the real deal or just another one?
There are a lot more projects like this coming up on the channel. I hope you join me and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.
Real deal or just